Okay, I'm going to go through real quick how I run my scans. So the first thing I do is I'll pick a scan. We got 35, they're pre-populated. They already have good values in them, so you don't really have to worry about it. Of course, you can change them if you want. But I like this Test Easy scan, so we're going to do that one. Um, okay. I'm already at symbol A, which is the top of the first symbol, A. So what I'll do now is I just push this next button right here. Okay. Now what she's doing, she's scanning until she finds a stock that meets this scan criteria. Okay. So the first one she found was AMNL. So then I will look at the trading data and also the chart. I'll look at the chart and I'll see what happened here. Like today, she had a 5 factor right here, which means she traded 5 times what she normally trades. She traded $9,000. She's been on kind of a downturn, but she looks like she's bottomed out. If I just click on this chart, I can see what happened today. This is the daily trading. Looks like she was up and then she went down and bebopped around. Looks like here, right here, was a huge sell. If I click on it again, I get the 30-day. If I click on it again, this is the 90-day chart. Okay, so that gives me a pretty good idea of what's going on here. Now there were a lot more sells today than buys because there's more red than blue. The blue are buys, the red are sells. Now the next thing I might do is go over here to our due diligence buttons and I'll push this summary button. Okay, and that'll bring up a site that says, okay, what's this company all about here? Okay, so we got AMNL, Applied Minerals, leading producer of halloysite clay solutions, Dragon Mine in Utah. So it's a mining company, okay? Then I might look at, I'll look at what they're saying on social media. So I'll push this iHub button for starters and see what kind of messages there are on iHub, and see what they're saying. Uh, Starting to open up, looks like. There were, if you look at the dates, there was just one post today. There were a few posts, yeah, a couple posts yesterday and the day before. Um, so you can actually go to their board. You can read these posts. You can delve deeper into, what people are saying about this company. Okay. So this is their message board. Uh, they got an AK that came out, um, etc. A 78,000 preferred converted. I don't know what's going on here exactly. Then the other thing you can do is you can push this Twitter button and find out what's going on Twitter. Now, I'm using an old browser, so it doesn't like that. But if I go to Twitter here and put that link in, then I can see all the tweets from this symbol AMNL if it will ever come up. So now you see all the tweets from the latest. See what people are tweeting about it. Okay. Emerging Growth Conference. What is that? Here's one. Could have big move now. Dilution is over. Can it get back to 10 cents, which is a 20 bagger? So that's interesting. So their dilution ended, I guess. And they're filing AK, so they're an AK filer. The other thing I can look at is there's the AK that came out today. And I've got a complete history here of what we keep notes on all these stocks, and we keep track of share structure too. So you got that. You can tell whenever they added shares and how many and what have you. So that's basically it. That's all you really need to know. I know this looks really complicated, but then you look at the next one. You just push this next button and look at the next stock that comes up. Okay, and this one is AXXA. You see your chart here. Looks like they had a pretty big day. They had a 9 factor, traded 150,000 right here. About even on bell size sells and buys. Again, you can look at what happened during the day. Pretty even. Did she gap up? No. She's up 15%. Oh yeah, over here, these columns are color coded. So this is the open, this is the high, the low, and you've got 200 days, okay, worth of trading data. So you can go back and look at what happened before. Your 200 day is marked here at 0262 is the 200 day high on the price. On the price, you have your up column if they moved up, and a down column if they moved down. You've got a real-time social media score right now. This is at 0, so she doesn't have a lot of social media. And that's what you do. Then I look at the summary, look at some tweets, and then you just push your next button and find the next stock, and now you can look at that one. So basically, that's all there is to it. There's a lot more information here, of course, but right from the get-go, you can find some pretty good stocks. BDPT, what's going on there? They're at a 200-day low, looks like. A lot of people dumped that today, looks like, down 9%. So anyway, I hope that gives you an idea. You can watch some of the other videos to get into more of the details on the features that we have and what's available. It's pretty powerful. So what do people say about DDAmanda? Well, these are some things that we've collected over the years. We never asked anybody what they thought. We never asked for this. They just came out and said it. Well worth the money. I love you guys. Awesome program. I just made 15K on my first DDAmanda pick. Wow. And these are totally legit, guys. I just paid for my DDAmanda, our best success story. It just goes on and on. Fucking love it, Amanda. Really good piece of software. I love it, especially the cash flow and factor finder. I mean, these guys, they really love it. And I actually wrote this for myself, so there wasn't anything out there that did what I wanted it to do, so I wrote it for myself, and I'm a trader, so I put all the good stuff in there. We also have great support. We're just a phone call away. We got a Telegram room, with some really good traders in it that'll all help you make money. And even if you're just a beginner, you can start finding good stocks right out the gate. I mean, right away. And basically, she's really easy to use. It's just that there's a lot of information on the main screen, and she's very powerful. There's a lot of, advanced stuff in there also, but just the basics, you can find a stock easy. So anyway, that's what people have been saying, and that's it on that.